So we have a Hosui on the left, and on the right we have the 20th century pear. I already cut them up, so it's easy to taste them. They're really nice size. They aren't organic because organic fruits never get this big. So that's the easy way to tell if they're organic or not. So on the Hosui, it does have a thicker skin right here. You can see it's almost peelable. Over here, 20th century is very thin. So let's see how they taste. Yeah, you want to peel the skin off of this one. So let's, inside is quite juicy. So it's kind of sweet tart. It gets tartar towards the center. Sweet tart, juicy. Kind of like a spongy kind of texture to it for some reason. This one, I can really tell I like it better. I lied. So it has a finer texture, but there's no sweetness. It's like I'm eating fiber. The skin is quite thin, but if I were to pick a pear, well, I had better 20th century. It's just they put too much fertilizer in this one, and it's huge, but it has no flavor. So it's not quite accurate, but this one tastes a lot better than 20th century. Does have that butterscotch flavor people talk about. So for the store-bought, I say the Hosui is better than 20th century. But when I grow my own, these taste quite flavorful, but they're only like half the size. Maybe that's why they taste a lot better.